I want to also acknowledge that it's not the only form of expression that allows us to commune with the divine, with divine creation. Right? I mean, affirmative prayer is amazing and excellent for our practice of healing our mind. And then there's invocations of all sorts, you know. Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. I say that all the time. I'm bringing in the goddess Lakshmiyay. I'm bringing in all sorts of gods and goddesses and deities who have been here and taught us lessons of love and have left us with the essence of who they are. When we pray, we are aligning with power, right? We are aligning with things that represent that which we want to be, right? So it may also be the simplest and best prayer sometimes is to say nothing, right? And that's just to commune, to go there, to that place. It is so delicious, right? We are in connection and communion with all that is God's creation as one of those creations. And there is truth and support and love to be found, you know, with a plant, with the ground, with stones, with previous teachers, with our archangels, with our soul, you know, our soul guides, our little helpers, whatever it is that is all, it is all a play in consciousness. It's all just part of the play. The aliens and angels and all of it, it's great. You know, play with all of it and bring forth what resonates to make you more powerful and allows you to stand in that Christ consciousness and perform the miracles, you know, and do it more consistently